What's good, well builders? It's your boy Devon back again with another video, man. We talking about something crazy today. We're talking about how to make more money online renting out your pool. So let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Before we even get into the meat and potatoes of the video, you know what I'm saying, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I want to make sure you guys stay on top of everything because we talk about making more money, we talk about saving more money, we talk about building a better you and business, all right? So without further ado, let's get this crazy different topic on hand: how to make money online renting out your pool. All right, so imagine this, all right? Imagine that you can rent out your home and make a little side income just by having guests stay in your extra bedroom or basement apartment, you know, without you having to be there, and you make a good grip. Well, you don't really have to imagine that, right? Because that's Airbnb. This is no longer a fantasy. This is actual reality, right? Okay, so stay with me. That's actual reality. So let's talk about this. Let's take this fantasy one step further and get this on to the fact that you can actually rent out your pool. So if you have a pool in your backyard that you're not using on a regular basis, or maybe you do use it on a regular basis, but maybe you want to make some extra money, you can rent out your pool by the hour and make anywhere between $30 to $150 an hour, okay? An hour, my friend, an hour. Just to let someone use your pool through a company or app called Swimply. Yes, Swimply. That's Swimply. Swimply. The name sounds crazy. They try to use swim and simply mixed it together. But Swimply lets you list your pool for rent. Okay? So that's for pool parties, that's for people that just want to hang out, people that want to enjoy themselves during the summertime, or maybe you live in a climate where it rarely gets, cold, maybe it's hot 80% of the year. This definitely can help you out and make some extra cash, okay? Because this is a simple but yet profitable way to make extra cash for a vacation home that you're not using, or like I said, your own home that you want to use for this and you just want to make some extra cash. You know what I'm saying? Nobody really uses that much. This is a great way to supplement your income and create a new income stream, especially if it's a vacation home that you don't use regularly, okay? So this is definitely a great income stream for people that have a vacation home with a pool that you don't use, but you can get access to make sure the pool is up to par and ready for use. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling you guys, this is absolutely no reason to be broke nowadays, especially if you have something you can rent out. If you have something you can rent out, you can definitely make some money, okay? If you have a car you can rent out, if you have an extra room you can rent out, and now if you have a pool you can rent out, come on, man. This is great. And like I said, it's basically free money because all you're doing is listing your pool on the site and they do the rest for you, okay? So if you're interested in learning more about renting out your pool, then check out swimply.com for more info. The link is in the description, or you can just go to your web browser and put swimply.com in your browser and go ahead and check that out. Now, thanks for watching and subscribing, and I want you to understand something, man. There's a lot of different ways to make money, okay? There's a lot of different ways to make money online, but you need the tools to succeed. You need to learn the strategies to do it. You need to learn the information to get ahead, okay? And a lot of times people get caught in information overload and don't do anything, okay? So I want you to go ahead and challenge yourself. Do something. Do something that's going to take yourself to the next level, okay? Stop just thinking and hoping and wishing and praying for something, and go out there and get it done, man. And if you want to learn how, some of my cash building strategies, go to wealthbuilderswithaz system.com or click the link below and get my free ebook sent directly to your inbox. Thanks for watching my video on how to make money online renting out your pool. Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace. It's the Wealth Builders, baby. All right, so you've reached the end of one of my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. You can go ahead and check out another video here or another here, or you can go ahead and subscribe there. But anyhow, Wealth Builders, do remember, make more, save more, build more. Peace.